Just think, we need to separate these two contents. This is first one, this is the second one. We want to separate these content. How can we do it? Using the HR tag, we can separate those content. Save it and leave it. See, you can separate that contents. This. The HR tag hasn't any closing tag. You can see it hasn't a closing tag, but H1 tag has opening tag and closing tag. But HR hasn't. And see, HR is a horizontal line. Thanks for watching. If you get something from in this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.